Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add watermark name in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to camera in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in camera, okay, go to three line on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, you can see below the watermark. And okay guys, you all have to do is click watermark. And okay guys, here in watermark, okay, you can see the phone model. Okay, you all have to do is turn on the phone model. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I will show you how to add watermark name. And okay guys, here you can see the author. And okay guys, you only have to do is click the author. And okay guys, the pop-up are show. And okay, automatically added after taking a photo up to 20 character are allowed. So okay guys, so I decide to add my name in watermark. Okay. And okay guys, after you add the name or author, okay, you'll have to do is click OK button. And okay guys, here you can see the author. And okay guys, okay, we have successfully added the watermark on your settings. And okay guys, we can try it to camera. Okay, you'll have to do is go back and take a shot. Okay, and okay guys. And okay guys, here you can see the watermark name on your picture or photo. And okay guys, we have successfully add watermark name in Realme 5 camera. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.